Hi there, it's your garden Stordinger from Munich, and today it's all about digging, not for gold bars, but for something far more valuable, flower bulbs. Right now, from September through December, it's the best time to prepare for spring, because if you plant bulbs now, you'll get a fireworks show of colors in your garden when spring arrives. And yes, that's a question many people ask. What do I plant? When do I plant it? And why so early? The truth is, there's a huge variety of bulbs, and they differ in many ways. You can group them roughly by their flowering season, and that also tells you the best planting time. So grab your gloves, a small shovel, and let's get started. Spring flowering bulbs, the classics for the heart. These are the bulbs you plant in autumn, September to December. They need the cold winter period to get ready for their big spring show. Tulips, Tulipa, countless varieties, single, double, fringed, lily-flowered. Tulips are the supermodels of the flower world. Many of the large-flowered hybrids are more like one-hit wonders, spectacular the first year, weaker afterwards. But the small wild tulips, they'll naturalize beautifully. Daffodils, Narcissus, trumpets, poets' daffodils, robust, long-lived, as loyal as an old friend. And here's a bonus. Voles hate them. While tulips vanish like chocolates, your daffodils stay untouched. Crocuses, Crocus, the very first to pop up in February. Little explosions of color, and they even work in lawns. They're finished blooming before the lawnmower comes out. Hyacinths, Hyacinthus, the perfume bombs of spring. Strong, intense, like a perfume shop in your garden. Ornamental onions, Allium, big globe-shaped blooms in May or June. True showstoppers and bee favorites. Small early bloomers for naturalizing snowdrops, scillas, winter aconites, grape hyacinths. They carpet the ground under shrubs and trees and come back faithfully every year. Summer flowering bulbs, the diva division. These bulbs and tubers only go into the soil in spring, after frost. They are not hardy. You'll need to dig them up in autumn and overwinter them frost-free. Dahlias, colors and shapes from pompous to delicate, they bloom until the first frost. Gladiolus, majestic cut flowers with tall flower spikes. Lilies, many species for summer blooms. Special case, the Madonna lily, plant in late summer/autumn, but shallow. Ranunculus, double, rose-like flowers, a florist's favorite. Autumn flowering bulbs, the surprise artists. Yes, there are also bulbs you plant in summer or early autumn, and they bloom in the same year. Autumn crocus, Colchicum autumnale, flowers from September to November, but the leaves only appear the following spring. Autumn crocuses like Saffron crocus. Yes, you can actually harvest the world's most expensive spice. Key differences and tips. Planting time. Spring flowering bulbs go in the ground in autumn. Summer bulbs go in during spring. Winter hardiness. Spring bulbs are frost hardy. Summer bulbs must be lifted and stored. Planting depth. Rule of thumb equals 2 to 3 times as deep as the bulb is tall. Tulips, 10 to 15 centimeters deep. Location, sunny to semi-shady, well-drained soil. Avoid standing water, otherwise the bulbs rot faster than you can say garden fairy. Naturalizing crocuses, snowdrops and co. will spread by themselves. Tulips usually won't. Pro tip, try a bulb lasagna, a layered planting for continuous blooms. The bulb lasagna. This planting method creates staggered, continuous blooms from February to May. It's simple. Plant bulbs in layers inside a pot or planter. The latest bloomers at the bottom, early bloomers on top. While the top layer is flowering, the deeper ones slowly grow up, ensuring a rolling display of blooms week after week. Important, always use good drainage at the bottom of the pot to prevent rot. So if you want to do something for spring between September and December, plant your spring flowering bulbs, tulips, daffodils, crocuses and more right now. Then your garden will reward you after the grey winter with a colourful firework. And if you're fascinated by healing plants, make sure to check out my video. 15 plants as powerful as ibuprofen. Big Pharma hates this trick. And if you're curious about wild plants, unbelievable but true. These 10 weeds are superfoods and you can harvest them for free. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so you don't miss a thing, and please share this video with your family and friends so this knowledge reaches more people. So grab a shovel, Get those bulbs in the ground and secure yourself a springtime explosion. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Your garden Stordinger from Munich.